Make sure you're being good, okay? Otherwise, I'll sneak down your chimney and steal your presents. It's what I do. You know that.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song? You know what my favorite song is.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Grinch popcorn balls. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of mini marshmallows. We're also going to need green food coloring, 4 tablespoons of salted butter. I also have M&ms, the red ones with peanuts, and also microwave popcorn, 1 bag. The first thing we're going to do in a heated pot, we're going to add our butter, and we're going to allow that to melt. Once your butter is melted, we're going to add in our 4 cups of marshmallows. And all you want to do is mix them around in the butter and allow them to melt. Now you can add in a couple drops of green food coloring. Just go ahead and mix that around. You can also turn off your heat at this time. Now you want to pour your marshmallow mixture into your popcorn. Now we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Once well combined, I'm going to go ahead and add in your red M&ms and also some marshmallows. And all we're going to do is begin to make our popcorn balls. You want to mix it, and you want to go in and take about a handful and form your popcorn balls. Okay guys, a quick tip for when you are rolling your popcorn balls. If you're using rubber gloves, you may want to spray them with some non-stick cooking spray. That'll make it easier to roll the balls together. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Grinch popcorn balls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.